Sales revenue. The following information is available about the transactions of David, a sole trader who does not keep proper accounting records. Opening inventory, $19,250. Closing inventory, $21,000. Purchases, $190,750. Gross profit as a percentage of sales, 20%. Based on this information, what is David's sales revenue for the year? Answer. Margin equals sale minus cost divided by sale equals 20%. Sales. Balancing figure 100%, $236,250. Opening inventory, $19,250. Purchases, $190,750. Total, $210,000. Closing inventory, minus $21,000. Cost of sales, 80%, $189,000. Gross profit, 20 divided by 80 times 189,000 equals $47,250.